Hey guys, welcome to Linmar Ranch by America West. This is the newest community here by America West in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now in this video, we are going to be touring their largest two-story floor plan, which is the Whitney. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. And what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right guys, so welcome to the grand opening of Linmar Ranch by America West. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in the southwest side of Las Vegas, you guys. We are about 15 to 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. So the nearest cross streets is you're looking at Silverado Ranch and Decatur, okay? So really close to the 15th freeway, you guys, probably like 5 minutes away from South Point. We have the KB Balcara community right across the street. Guys, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you right now. So this community offers 5 different floor plans, guys. You got 4 two-story homes. Now they're going to be ranging from about 1710 square feet all the way up to 2317 square feet. Now the base prices are going to range from $433 all the way up to $466. They do offer a single-story floor plan also in this community. It's called the Ferrera. Now the Ferrera is 2488 square feet. The base price is about $515, $990, okay? Now, something you guys need to know about this community, typically when you see the base prices, you have to add in the lot premiums as well as the upgrades. Well, here in this community, they're doing all spec homes, guys. So the builder is picking out all the options, all the upgrades, adding the lot premiums. So just to give you guys an idea of kind of where you would be at, for the Avondale and Lavelle, you're looking at out the door, you're looking at about 450, around the 450 range. The Kaufman and the Whitney, you're looking at right about like the 500 to 510 range. And the Ferrera, guys, and I will have the lot plan on the screen for you guys so you can see. They are only going to be releasing about 10 to 12 lots that's going to fit the Ferrera floor plan. And what they're doing right now is they are actually doing highest and best. I know the base price was about $515, but the offers are going to start at $595. Okay, now the important thing about these lots is they're over a quarter-acre lots. Okay, so minimum's you're gonna get a quarter-acre. Pretty large lots, guys. If you're looking for a large lot here in the southwest, that's definitely something to consider. Now about the community itself, you guys, 142 homes. The HOA is going to be $56 a month, okay? And then the average lot square feet for the two-story homes are going to be about 3,300, right? And again, all spec homes here. They just opened up this weekend. They already sold 5 lots. They're going to have another 5 that's going to be move-in ready for November, and they're gonna have more in December. Okay, that's pretty much it. So let's get this tour started. All right guys, welcome to the Whitney floor plan. Now the Whitney floor plan is 2,317 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price is $466, $990. Again guys, they're going to be doing all spec homes, so that means the builder's choosing out all the options and upgrades, and it'll be ready a lot sooner. But out the door, if the base price is $466, $990, the out the door price would be about $40,000 more, okay? So it'd be about $500,000. So let's check it out. Paver driveway is included, desert landscaping. So you can see this is the sales office, but that is the 2-car garage. All right, welcome in guys. So as soon as you walk inside, right there, you're gonna have the door to your garage. You're gonna have the bedroom downstairs, which is an upgrade because that's originally a den. And then you're gonna have your full bath, okay? So I think with the spec homes, I feel like they're gonna add this bedroom to a lot of their specs for this floor plan, the Whitney model, just because having a bedroom downstairs is very important to a lot of buyers. Look at that. Cool, guys. While we're here, here's some interesting facts. So this is America West's home warranty coverage. So they cover 1 year materials and workmanship, 2 year like electrical, HVAC, plumbing, 5 year on like water, filtration, internal leaks, and 10 year structural. Okay. All right. So you have the transfer grill up there. You got the smoke detector. We also do have like an upgraded shower right here. The walk-in shower. Nice upgraded cabinets. So right over here, you're gonna have your coat closet. All right. So you got storage. Okay, so you definitely have some space over here. As far as the wall, looks like we have the orange peel texture. We have the flat edge corners. Now we're gonna have the baseboards. Like I think these are about 5-inch baseboards. Now, if you guys remember this, actually, I did a video on Alder Vista, which is a community up north. They have the same floor plan over there. So also, the 2-story homes in this community, they're all going to be 8-foot ceilings on the first floor and down on the first floor and the second floor. But that one single-story home that they offer, the Ferreira, that will be 9-foot ceiling. Now, again, guys, as far as like, I know the flooring is upgraded. Otherwise, you'd have like carpet everywhere except for the wet areas. You would have like the tile on the in the kitchen, bathroom, entryway, and the laundry room. But again, they're going to be speccing out a lot of the homes here. So yeah, for the most part, like they're going to put, I believe they're going to put the hard flooring all throughout the first floor. So it looks like we do have the 42-inch cabinets. Okay, we got the quartz countertop. So the as far as the appliances go, the refrigerator, washer, and dryer are not included. But you are going to get your oven, you're going to get your microwave, okay? Most likely they're not going to do backsplashes for the spec homes, but I could be wrong as well. You know, definitely get with me if you're interested in knowing. They're going to come with backsplash. Okay. Now here we have your slider, okay? Now this is going to be a 6x7 slider because, you know, this is going to be an 8-foot ceiling right here. So as far as like the backyard size, this is going to be a good representation. Oh, I guess it's locked. But yeah, it's going to be, the lot sizes in this community for the 2 stories are going to be 3,300. Okay. And then right here, we're going to have your pantry. Cool, let's check out upstairs. It's definitely a cozy floor plan. You know, I definitely like it. Okay, so as soon as you walk up, guys, you're gonna have your nice, cozy loft. You're gonna have 2 bedrooms, another bedroom, and then you're gonna have your primary bedroom over there, okay? Again, 8-foot ceiling upstairs. Now this is actually a pretty good sized room. I would not say this is a 10 by 10. You're gonna have a full-size bed right here. So, you know, plenty of room on the sides. I'll say more, this is gonna be probably 11 by 12. Yeah, it definitely has some good room to it. Okay, check out the neighborhood. Okay, so we do have like a standard closet right here. You're gonna have your full bath. Then we do have this room here. This room is gonna be a little bit more spacious. Okay, you have your walk-in closet right here, which is nice. The lights are flickering a little bit. Okay, let's check out this full bath. All right, look at that upgraded flooring, upgraded cabinets, as well as the pools. Now, I think this countertop is actually standard, but okay, I got the upgraded matte black faucet. Okay, this is the shower tub that you could most likely expect for your guest bathroom. So we'll go ahead and check out this southern bedroom. You're gonna have a linen closet right here. Okay. This is gonna be the other bedroom. So this one actually has space as well. It's gonna be similar size with the other bedrooms. Okay. Now here's your laundry room. So this is going to be conveniently located next to the primary bedroom, which is great. You're going to have your smart panel box right over here. This is where you're going to set up your internet router and your modem. Okay, again, a washer and dryer is not included. You're also going to have your attic access right up there. And then also, guys, to this switch right here. So this switch is to make sure you're getting like fresh air from the outside inside the laundry room. Now, the reason why they have this switch over here is because they incentivize you to just actually keep it on and don't turn it off. Yeah, otherwise, you know, they would have put this switch kind of like right over there. They want this room to get fresh air. So that's why they kind of have it behind the door, because there's no windows in this room, and you know, it's definitely important to get fresh air in this room. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. And then guys, also, if you are interested in a new build community, you know, if you have any questions or if you're interested in one, make sure you give me a call, guys. My info is going to be in the description below, or at least let your realtor know if you're working with one. You know, the very first time you visit a new build community, if you go by yourself and you give them your information, they won't let you have representation. Even if you call in to the community and give them your information, you have to let them know that you're working with a realtor. Otherwise, they won't let you have a realtor later. Definitely want to make sure you get that representation, because it's very beneficial for you. You know, we walk you through the process. We hold the builders accountable. We negotiate for you, and the builders pay the agent fees. So definitely a win-win scenario. Okay, so you're gonna have a large window right here. Right, so the primary bath, you're gonna have this walk-in shower. You'll also have the 2 sinks. Okay. Upgraded flooring. All right, and then you're gonna have this really generous size walk-in closet. Okay. All right, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you had any questions about the incentives that this builder offers, give me a call, guys. Again, info is going to be in the description below. I also have a couple links in there that will help you start your home buying process, one for resale homes and one for new builds, okay? So until then, I will catch you guys next video.